to Gili Lankanfushi. What's new in this room? These residences in Gili have been fully refurbished, giving you still the promised turquoise views of the Indian Ocean. The daybeds are inside while your expensive deck, and don't forget your infinity pool is with a view to kill for. Have a look around. I simply love the new additions to the villa suites of Gili. An infinity pool, a catamaran net to lay and hear the waves of the lagoon of Gili. And also behind me are your favorite rooms, the cruise or residences of Gili Lankanfushi. What I really love about some of the villa suites of Gili is that the outdoor living is still intact while a parallel deck leads to this infinity pool. Families adore Gili Lankanfushi. It's a playground for all ages. If there was something missing previously, it was a proper private pool 2-bedroom villa. I'm sitting at the living room of the family villa with pool, which has an L-shaped pool in the middle, 2 proper bedrooms with attached ensuite bathrooms. These villas give excellent views to the Indian Ocean in complete privacy. Wow, I am surprised.